Tumulong na rin ang US Marines sa paghatid ng relief goods sa Catanduanes para po sa mga nasalanta ng Bagyong Uwan. Si Noel Talakay sa report.
Ito ang mga family food packs mula sa Department of Social Welfare and Development o DSWD mula sa Clark Air Base. Dadalhin ito sa probinsya ng Catanduanes gamit ang mga sasakyang panghimpapawid ng US Marines tulad ng C-130 at MV-22 Offspring.
It's really important because this is the big cost. The aircraft, the prepositioning, and the amount of personnel, manpower, time, fuel, and operating costs. So that you don't look at the dollar and cents amount of the what was committed, but also the cost of operating all of those.
Bringing together that expertise, those intangibles, that experience, and to see the DSWD and the Office of Civil Defense and AFP evacuate people ahead of time, that kind of coordination really saved a lot of lives, and then we can bring in our expertise as well on what we can do best in terms of adding to the airlift capabilities. So we're really honored to be here and doing whatever we can to assist what are already outstanding efforts here on the ground.
Ayon sa DSWD, nasa 10,000 mga family food packs ang ihahatid sa nasabing probinsya. Bahagi ito ng humanitarian effort ng Philippine Air Force at US Marines. Ayon kay Teodoro, gamit ang mga nasabing sasakyan panghimpapawid ng US Marines, mararating nito ang mga liblib na lugar sa iba't ibang probinsya ng bansa na apektado ng bagyo, lalo na't nagsasagawa na rin anya ang DSWD ng pag-preposition ng mga family food packs bilang paghahanda sa mga darating pang bagyo.
In Cebu, we still continue. In the north, we continue because in Lawag, Pangasinan, and we need this helps us because every hour you fly, it takes away from the remaining flying time of the aircraft before maintenance. So now, as was reported earlier, the DSWD needs to preposition again to prepare for the next disasters.
Nagpaabot naman ng pasasalamat si Teodoro sa Amerika dahil sa pagtulong nito sa mga nasalanta ng Bagyong Tino at Uwan sa bansa. Samantala, batay sa pinakabagong tala ng DSWD, aabot na ng mahigit 375,000 na pamilya ang lubhang naapektuhan ng Bagyong Uwan sa Catanduanes. Noel Talakay para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.